Well, hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are gonna see the when statement in Kotlin. So let's see what we actually want to do here. Suppose I want a user to input his age, and if the age is 1, then I want to print something, and if the age is 2, then I want to print something else. If age is 3, then I want to print something else. Usually we can achieve this with the help of if else statement, but there will be a pretty long code and unnecessary code. So in short, we can use in Java or C++, we have an option to use switch statement. In Kotlin, instead of switch, we can use when statement. So let's go and let's first get the input from the user. So to get an input from the user, we use the method readLine. So we're going to take a variable here where age equals to readLine here. And remember in the previous one of the previous video, we talked about null values. Here user might not enter anything, so we have to handle that as well. So age might be null as well, so this is going to be a nullable, and we want to convert this value to an integer. Age cannot be a string or it cannot be a float value. So to convert this into integer, we just write another method which is toInt. So now whatever user enters as a value as an input, we have that in the variable age. Now when to use when statement, we just have to write when, and inside a brace we just write age, and in the curly braces we are going to write the block of code which will handle the different cases for the value of age. So if the age is 1, then I want to print age is 1, and if the age is 2, then I'm just gonna copy this. I want to print age is 2, and if the user inputs something else that other than 1 or 2, I want to print age is not 1 or 2. Now let's run and check how it works. So okay, so it has finally run, and now we have to enter the value. If we enter the value 1, it says age is 1. Just ignore this. Here it is, and let's rerun the project. Actually I have just rerun this file only, because the project building was taking a bit too much time. And then let's write something else other than 1 or 2. Let's write 5, and we can see age is not 1 or 2 here. So we can also use range as well, like if the age is in the range 1 to 10, we can print you are a kid. If the age is in the range 11 to 19, I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm gonna print your teen. Okay, I don't know why this is giving me an error. This was in compile types of range and element checked in it. Okay, yes, I have written dash here. Should be 2 dots. And the same way, let me just copy this line. If it is 20 to 45, you are an adult. And if it is 45 to 45, you are an adult. 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 45 to 45, you are an ad and if it is 45, 46 to, sorry, I'm writing dash every time, 46 to 100, you are an old guy. Else I'm just gonna type uh, you are dead. So let's run our file here, and what input should we give? We are gonna give 67. Let's see, 67, you are an old guy. There it is. So now and you're also gonna give something like 101, you are dead. So this is basically how when statement works in Kotlin. You can make it very easy. Instead of writing if else, nested if else conditions, a lot of condition, you can just shrink that code using when statement, and it helps a lot. Believe me, when you're writing a huge project, huge application in Android especially, it saves a lot of time and a lot of efforts as well. So that's it for this video, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.